clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, I have a project pan update for you guys. This will include both my makeup and skincare project pans. I'll link those videos in my description in case if you missed it. And there will also be a link on this look. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get updating. I have 3 makeup items and 2 skincare items. The first makeup item is very recent. It is the MAC Fix Plus. Finally, this has been emptied. I have been using this bottle for a very long time, way past the recommended use. I just love MAC Fix so much. I actually used a different setting spray to spray my inner corners for this look, and it felt so weird. MAC Fix is like any other setting spray. When it's dispensed, it just hits the brush in a nice way to wet it and then apply your shimmers. I definitely would repurchase this, but what will be taking its place is this Bella Perrier setting spray. This is a vicious setting spray, probably the worst spray radius I've ever used. If you have ever sprayed yourself in the face with a hose, you have used this setting spray. I have been wanting to pan this for so long so that I could do a transfer of it. I haven't transferred. Oh, oh, nope, just kidding. I'm gonna throw this bottle out. I know I don't need that. Ta-da! I have created more MAC Fix. I'm excited to see how the Bella Perrier setting spray works now it's in a different component. I was very hesitant to go on ahead and declutter and write off the Bella Perrier setting spray. I wanted to see maybe in a different component it might work better. That's why I was really focusing hard on panning this MAC Fix. I think this is the fastest I've ever panned a product. It is the Wander Beauty eyebrow pencil. Y'all know this was my first Wander Beauty product that I absolutely fell in love with. I am actually devastated that I am out of it right now because I don't want to purchase a new one because I am replacing it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I almost bought a backup of the Brow Wiz during 21 Days of Beauty. I ended up not because I found another brow pencil. This is by L'Oreal, the Brow Stylist Definer. So I definitely have some other brow products in my collection. I think I have like 10 in my stash. So I definitely have my fair share that I did not need to repurchase either Wander Beauty or another backup of ABH. I'm very sad that I am out of this though because it worked out so nice. It is the same component as ABH Brow Wiz. I feel like I just gave the love that it deserved because it was the first Wander Beauty product that I absolutely loved, and that it kept me going with not just completely writing off Wander Beauty as a brand. It kept me determined to find some other products, and there are a handful of other Wander Beauty products that I do enjoy. There's a lip product, there's a couple face products. Some other palettes aren't bad. I'm definitely coming around to Wander Beauty. I also think it's the same price as the Brow Wiz. I think it would just be, you know, your preference if you like Wander Beauty over ABH or vice versa. And then the third makeup product, I just used up this Pixie by Petra mascara. I did not even use the tiny little wand because I don't put mascara on my bottom lashes. It's just a good way to set up my under eyes from smudging really bad. Looking like a raccoon, not a cute look. This mascara, it's just okay. I would not wear it alone. It definitely has to be paired with some other mascaras, and this one is always used second. That way it can help separate the lashes. That way you don't have spider lashes or chunky lashes. As a first layer, hell no. It does not do much lengthening or volumizing for me. I would not repurchase this, but it was nice to get an IPSY to give it a shot. If you need a bottom mascara wand, because I know it is hard to apply mascara on your lower lashes, so that is a nice touch that they included as a 2-in-1. Now that I've used up that Pixie mascara, I'm going to be adding the Thrive Cosmetics mascara into my project pan. At first I didn't really like this mascara. I've come around to it. I think it does a better job lengthening than it does volumizing, but I think it works well with some other mascaras like the Pixie one did. Now this next product, I don't think I initially put it in my 2020 project pan. It was part of my 2019 pan, and I think I just forgot to roll it over. It is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I absolutely enjoy this balm so much, especially if you use it with a makeup eraser. Oh, game changing. I think makeup erasers do a good job with just water alone, but I definitely see that it works better with balms, and I really like the Clinique one. I think you get a decent amount of product for the price. I definitely prefer the Elemis balm, which is going to be taking its place to pan next, but I definitely think the Clinique option is a more affordable price. It's about half the cost of the Elemis one, and it does the same job. I just haven't been reaching for some Clinique products recently. It's nothing against the brand. I used it all the time in college. I think there's just so many more exciting brands out these days, and I don't know, Clinique hasn't really put anything out that's been really exciting to me. But you know, like the Clinique 3-step isn't bad. They have a nice acne foam wash, so Clinique definitely has their product. I kind of forget about the brand until I look in my cabinet and go, oh yeah, look, I have a Clinique product. But this is something I would definitely repurchase in the future. I just have so many balms right now that I just don't need at this moment. And then the last product is this Momande Rose Toner. I will purchase this over and over and over again, but I just don't need another toner right now. I have my LMS Apricot one that I just featured in my top 5 products and top 5 brands video. I forgot that I actually had a second toner that I was working on panning. It is the Kapari Coconut Rose one. Not my favorite. I think it's the spray application. So I'm actually just taking the cap off and pouring a little bit onto a cotton round, like how I use for my other toners, to see if that's gonna work a little bit better. I really like Rose for my dry skin. I think it does a really good job calming the skin after you exfoliate and wash. It also helps rush the moisture back to your face. And then it just works really nice and cohesive with your serums, treatments, moisturizer, oils, whatever you put on your face after cleansing. This toner has been an absolute cult favorite of mine since I got it. I purchased it during 21 Days of Beauty at one point. I would definitely pick it up again. Unfortunately, it's not on sale during this 21 Days of Beauty, but even then I would still pay however much it is. Now, a more affordable option, which it actually does a really good job of rivaling Momande, is the Thayer's Witch Hazel, and I get the rose petal scent, and they're essentially the same thing except half the cost. There are some other rose products that Momande has that are on my radar. They have like a rose cleanser, moisturizer. I think they have a bubble mask even. I still haven't tried any bubble masks, and I think I have 1 or 2. This is something I would definitely consider repurchasing in the future. It's kind of like the Clinique balm where I just have some other toners that I want to get through first. I just have a lot to go through before I repurchase some items. Now I know that's probably not like the most exciting Project Pan update, but I'm really proud of it because it takes me forever to go through products. I am so slow because I get so distracted with other products. I just have an abundance of makeup and skincare items that using the same thing over and over again is really hard. It just gets boring after a while, but I think that's just the enthusiast in me. I'm just curious just to change up at least one product in my routine instead of like the entire routine, even though I will do that from time to time. But I hope you guys enjoyed my Project Pan update. I do get some questions how it's going, and I'm really excited to be able to share with you guys that I finally panned and went through 5 full products, and I'm excited to share with you what those products are being replaced with to help go through even more products. I would love to know if you guys do project panning. What are some of your project panning goals, and how do you stay motivated with it? Do you have any tips on panning some powder products? I know those are the ones I'm going to be struggling with the most. And let me know if you guys are interested in empties videos. I definitely have a couple bags of empties, so I'm going to be spreading them out in a couple parts. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.